Do you want an easy way to bake milk and honey bread that tastes amazing?
Yum.
This simple bread machine recipe gives you a soft, fluffy loaf with barely any effort. It is perfect for sandwiches or just enjoying with a bit of butter. Let me show you how to make it. To make this fluffy milk and honey bread, start by adding 300 milliliters or 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of room temperature milk to the bread pan. Then add 1 egg to the milk. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sugar to the bread pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt to the bread pan. And now add 1 tablespoon of honey to the bread pan for a subtle, sweet honey taste that gently comes through in every bite, while also helping the bread develop a golden brown crust. Next, add 530 grams or 4 cups of all-purpose flour to the bread pan. I like to sift the flour because it helps keep the bread light and fluffy, giving it a nice, airy texture. Then, make a small well in the center of the flour and add 1½ teaspoons of active dry yeast. This helps the yeast mix in evenly and makes the bread rise. Now, place the bread pan into the bread maker and close the lid. On the bread machine menu, choose the basic bread setting and select medium crust and press start. And now relax and let the bread machine take care of everything. It will mix and knead the ingredients, let the dough rise, and then bake it into a golden brown milk and honey loaf. Once the baking cycle is finished, remove the bread pan from the bread machine. I must say, this recipe makes your kitchen smell absolutely amazing. Then carefully turn it over to release the bread from the bread pan. When you slice it, the crust is crispy and has a nice crunch. The inside is soft and fluffy, and you get a lovely hint of honey sweetness and a smooth milk flavor. Each slice is full of delicious flavor and a nice texture that makes this bread so satisfying. If you like this milk and honey bread recipe, then check out also my bread machine banana bread experiment here and how it turned out. Check it out now.